Zakah, the purifying dues. Zakah, or the purifying dues, is the most important pillar of Islam after Salah. The Quran makes the importance of Zakah very clear. In fact, it is one of the five pillars upon which the edifice of Islam rests. Meaning of the word of Zakah. The word Zakah means purify and growth. Islam uses this very word setting aside a portion of your wealth for the needy and the poor. This is very important if it means that it is by giving to others that your wealth grows and becomes pure. If a rich Muslim does not give to the poor and the needy what is their due, his wealth remains impure, and his inner self also remains impure. Such a person is very selfish and very greedy. Zakah has in itself great blessings. Once Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, the first Khalifa, said, "By Allah, if people hold back the purifying dues zakah they used to give during the time of the Prophet ﷺ, even if it be a rope by which a camel is tied, I will raise my sword against them." Keep clearly in mind that zakah is no less important than offering salah. Indeed, those who refuse to give zakah fall outside the fold of Islam. You should also remember that zakah is not a tax like the tax taken by governments. It is the basis of Islam. Zakah is Islam's lifeblood. The giving of zakah tests a Muslim's faith. The giving of zakah is a form of worship. The giving of zakah therefore cleanses and purifies the giver by making him aware that he should not be selfish with the wealth Allah has given him. That is why we translate the term zakah as the purifying dues. Zakah benefits the whole society. It helps to distribute wealth among all its members. On whom is zakah due? A free Muslim, man or woman, pays zakah when his wealth reaches a certain amount called the nisab. If his wealth is below that limit, he pays nothing. In the case of gold, silver and money banknotes, the nisab must have been in the person's possession for one complete year. The things on which zakah is due. Zakah is due on gold and silver, on the produce from the earth, on trading goods, camels, cows, sheep, and goats. The nisab or scale means amount or limit on which zakah becomes payable of some kinds. Gold 85 grams, silver 595 grams, trading goods equal to 85 grams of gold or 595 grams of silver. Camels 5 camels. Goats or sheep 40 goats or sheep. Cows 30 cows. Keep clearly in mind that whoever remains in possession of the above amounts or quantities for a period of one full year must pay zakah on them. For wealth, the rate is 2.5%. Zakah is payable on gold and silver if their quantities reach the nisab. Who should receive zakah? There are 8 categories of people who are entitled to receive zakah according to the Quran. Number 1, the poor. Number 2, the needy. Number 3, those employed to collect zakah. Number 4, those whose herds are to be reconciled. This includes new converts to Islam. Number 5, the freeing of slave. Number 6, those in debt. Number 7, in the way of Allah. Number 8, the standard travelers.